Welcome to the YouTube channel. Myself Priyanka Sarde. Today I am going to explain the Newton's-Raphson's method, which is presented by our group. My group members are
myself Prerna Umre,
myself Puneshwar Nikhade,
which is guided by the Dr. Prashant Gade sir. Starts with the Newton-Raphson's method. So let x naught be the approximated root of the f of x, that is equal to 0, and let x1 is equals to the x naught plus h be the correct root. Then the f of x1 is equals to the 0. That implies f of x naught plus h is equals to 0. This is our the first equation. So this equation we can expand it by the Taylor series. Then we get the f of x naught plus h, f dash of x naught plus, and all terms are there, is equals to the 0. Then that implies h is equals to minus f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught. Therefore x1 is equals to the x naught minus f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught. x1 is the better approximation than the x naught. Similarly, the successive approximation, that is x1, x2, x3 up to the xn plus 1 are given by the equations xn plus 1 is equals to the xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn. This is called as the Newton's-Raphson's methods, and this formula is known as the Newton's-Raphson's formula for solving the equations. So our example is that find the real root of the equations minus 4x plus cos x plus 2 is equals to 0 by Newton's-Raphson's method up to 4 decimal places, assuming x naught is equals to 0.5. So this equation can say to us that find the real roots of the equation, that is the equation is minus 4x plus cos x plus 2, that is equals to the 0. We have to find the up to the 4 decimal places by using the or the assuming x naught is equals to 0.5. So let's start with the solution. We have to give an equation is minus 4x plus cos x plus 2 is equals to the 0. Here x naught is equals to the 0.5. So let f of x is equals to the minus 4x plus cos x plus 2. Then we get find out its derivative, that is f dash of x. The derivative of f of x is f dash of x is equals to the minus 4 minus sin x. The derivative of minus 4x is minus 4 and the cos x is the minus sin x. This is the derivative of the f of x, that is the f dash of x. Now f of 0 is equals to the, then we can put the x is equals to 0 in that equation, in the first equation, that is the f of x. So we can replace the x by the 0, that is f of 0 is equals to the minus 4 of 0 plus cos 0 plus 2. Here 4 into 0 is 0 and cos 0, the value of cos 0 is 1 and 2 is as it is. So f of 0 is equals to 3 is equals to the 3 and which is greater than 0. Then f of 1, we replace the x is equals to the 1. Therefore f of 1 is equals to minus 4 into 1 plus cos of 1 plus 2. So 4 into 1, that is minus 4 into 1, that is the minus 4. Cos of 1 is 0 and 2 as it is. So value is minus 1.4597, which is less than 0. Thus a root lies between the 0 and 1. Let us find the first approximation for the x. So for the first approximation, x is equals to the x1. So the formula is that x1 is equals to x naught minus f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught. So we have to put up the value of x naught, f of x naught, f dash of x naught. So the value of x naught is 0.5 minus and the value of f of x naught is minus 4 into 0.5 plus cos of 0.5 plus 2. Then f dash of x naught value is minus 4 minus sin 0.5, that is equals to the 0.5 minus 2 plus cos 0.5 divided by minus 4 minus sin 0.4, that is equals to the 0.5 minus the value of this one is 0.8778 divided by minus 0.4794, that is equals to the 0.5 plus 0.1958, that x1 is equals to the 0.6958, the value of 0. Something like that. And according to this we can find out the further values x2, x3 up to the xn plus 1. So value can be changes, and due to this formula we can find out the value up to the xn plus 1. So this is all about Newton's-Raphson's method. Thank you very much.